Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your rear brake pads and rotors in this Honda Accord. This one's a 2014 with a 2.4 liter engine. Let's check it out. Okay, first things first, we're going to remove our wheel. Then we're going to have our caliper sitting right here. We got a 12 millimeter, and go ahead and take those off. Then begin to just kind of pull off, and then we'll come to the other side. You'll take a flathead screwdriver like this guy right here to kind of help you pry the caliper off. And this is what it's going to look like once we've gotten it off. And we have the little twisty piston to go back in. We'll talk about that here in a second. And if you need to remove this rotor, you can take a Phillips head or like an impact Phillips and take that screw out. And then you've got a 17 and a 17, and this bracket will come off, and then your rotor will just slide right off. So if you have a hard time getting that off, just do a search for impact screwdriver. Tough to get. Do like Fixbook rotor. Just do a search for that, and that should help you out. So next we'll look at this piston. Okay, now so the normal way to compress this piston back, and it's right in there, is to take a brake cube and to stick it in there with a ratchet and push and twist. Alright, so, but I left my brake cube at home today, so I'm going to use an unconventional method. You can see what I've done here is I have bolted the caliper up. I have this big flathead screwdriver. I just stuck it on in there, and I'm going to push, and then I'm going to take my 13 and I'm just going to twist. So I'm going to push, twist, and what it's going to do is it's going to spin the piston. It's going to spin it back in there. So that's it, guys. Spin it all the way back in. Put your new pads on. Don't forget to take your slide pins out. I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, and here's your caliper slot pin. Always pull these out, lube these guys up, and then when you put your brake pads on, if you're using the old clips there, lube the end of your brake pad. But what I like to do is I like to skip that and just put the new clips in that come with like your new set of brake pads. That's always good. Also measure your brake rotor, and I'll put my measuring tool away. He is right up here. Your measuring tool, the minimum thickness is 8 millimeters for this rotor, so make sure you measure that. Ask your guys at the parts store about that. They'll know about that. Oh yes, I was going to tell you, the special brake tool, just talk to your guys at the parts store. They actually make a special kit, like a loaner kit usually, where it's even easier than the cube. If you want to buy a cube, I think they're like 10 bucks, and you can always keep it, and you can do the struggle thing, but the special tool is easier to use on this, and your parts people will be able to fill you out on that. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple job. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, I almost missed this one little detail. These little retainer springs, you're gonna have to put those back in. They just fit right there in the little hole, and like that. And then you'll hold your pads together, and with the other hand you'll go ahead and grab your caliper. So there you go, you'll put it on, and that's it.